Need to look back at your past Lyft rides. Now here's how to check your ride history in just a few tabs. Now open the Lyft app and sign in. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then select ride history. This will show you a full list of your completed trips, with the most recent ones at the top. Each entry shows the date, time, and cost of that ride. Tap on any ride to see full details like the pickup and drop off locations and the route map, the driver's name, and a full receipt. You can also see if you left a tip or rated the driver. Now, if you need a copy of the receipt for work or personal records, just tap the export or share icon. Lyft will send the full ride summary to your email. The ride history is also really helpful if you want to report an issue, review your spending, or recover a lost item. Now, everything you need is stored right there. Now, that's how easy it is. Like and subscribe for more quick app guides, and comment below if there's another Lyft feature you want me to explain. Yeah, totally. I got you guys. Until then, I catch you in the next video.